Good morning, students. Welcome to your English online lecture. Students, as we are learning English grammar part in your subject English, I welcome to your English grammar lecture. Myself, Miss Pooja. I am going to teach you English grammar in today's online lecture. So students, open your combined book Navjeevan term book number 2. Students, have you all opened your Navjeevan term book combined book number 2? Let us begin with a new topic in our today's online lecture. So, in your combined book, remove your English grammar part. English grammar and composition part starts from page number 24 to page number 48. Okay, students? So, English grammar and composition. Let us see today's lesson. The lesson which we are going to study in our today's online lecture is chapter number 19, comprehension, on page number 35. So students, open your page number 35, chapter number 19, comprehension, and also carry a pencil in your hand. Before starting and studying the lesson comprehension, I am going to explain you the comprehension reading. We are going to read the comprehension. Now, what is the meaning of comprehension? Let us have a look to the meaning and definition of comprehension. Students, this is very important topic from the standard 1st to standard 12th. You are going to learn the comprehension, and for y'all it is the starting and basic. So the given short passage is given in your page number 35 of your combined book. You just have to read the passage and answer the questions given below from the passage. So let us have a look to the comprehension, that what is the meaning of comprehension. बच्चों, आज के हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है चैप्टर नंबर 19, कॉम्प्रीहेंशन. सो इन कॉम्प्रीहेंशन हमारा मेन पार्ट है रीडिंग. हमें टेक्स्ट जो लिखा है उससे रीड करके समझ में आना और उसमें से आंसर्स फाइंड आउट करना, ये है इन शॉर्ट कॉम्प्रीहेंशन का मतलब. कॉम्प्रीहेंशन आपको स्टैंडर्ड 1st से स्टार्ट हुआ है और ये टॉपिक आपको स्टैंडर्ड 12 तक कंटिन्यू होगा, जिसमें कि आपको पैसेज दिया रहेगा और आपको नीचे आंसर्स दिए रहेंगे. आपको क्वेश्चंस रीड करके पैसेज में से आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है. तो हम आज के लेसन में देखेंगे और इसका मतलब समझेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देन यू विल कम टू नो द मीनिंग एंड द नेम ऑफ द लेसन comprehension and the concept of comprehension. So students, let us begin the meaning of comprehension. Reading comprehension. Reading comprehension is defined as the ability to understand written text. Now students, what is the meaning of comprehension? The meaning of comprehension is defined as the ability to understand written text. बच्चों, comprehension का मतलब ये होता है और उसे डिफाइन किया है एबिलिटी टू अंडरस्टैंड. हमें जो टेक्स्ट यानी जो पैसेज दिया है उसे समझने की एबिलिटी, यानी हमारे अंदर वो टेक्स्ट जो लिखा है उसे रीड करके उसको समझ के उसको जानना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. तब हम जाके कॉम्प्रीहेंशन अच्छे से परफॉर्म कर पाएंगे. So below are the points, important points given. Proficient reading depends on the ability to recognize words quickly and effortlessly. If word recognition is difficult, students use too much of brain decoding and they cannot extract meaning from the text. बच्चों, अब इसमें ये पॉइंट दिया है, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है. आपको रीडिंग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इस लेसन को आपको समझने के पहले आपको रीडिंग आना ज़रूरी है. और आपकी जब रीडिंग अच्छी होगी, जब वर्ड्स के प्रोनाउंसिएशन आपके अच्छे होंगे, जब आप वर्ड्स के मतलब समझोगे, तब आपको जाकर ये लेसन बहुत ही ईजी लगेगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so from your standard first you start reading the Balbharti textbook, as reading is very important and you must know to read the short lines, sentences, at least the 3-4 letter words you must be able to read, and you must able to also understand it. Okay students, now let us see some points from the comprehension before starting it. So let us see some important points that we have to remember when solving the comprehension. Students must be able to make personal connections with the text. Understand meaning of vocabulary used. Third point, understand text structure. Fourth point, understand purpose for reading. बच्चों, अब आपको ये कुछ नहीं समझता होगा क्योंकि आप स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट में हो, राइट? यस, बट आप कोशिश करो कि इसका आपको मतलब अच्छी तरीके से समझ आए. मैं आपको ये इस लेसन इजीली और पूरा आखिरी तक मैं वीडियो में दिखाऊंगी कि हमें कॉम्प्रीहेंशन कैसे करना है. स्टूडेंट्स, आई नो दैट दिस इज़ लिटिल बिट डिफ़िकल्ट for you all to understand as it is the beginning of your standard first, but do not worry, I'll make it easy for you all so that you will be able to understand it very well. So in the first point, be able to make personal connection with text. You must understand the text students. Text means the passage which is given. बच्चों, आपको जो पैसेज है उससे समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. टेक्स्ट यानी जो पैसेज दिया गया है, जो लिखा गया है, उससे समझना रीड करके बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सेकेंड पॉइंट, अंडरस्टैंड मीनिंग ऑफ वोकैबुलरी यूज्ड. अब वोकैबुलरी यूज्ड मीन्स आपको ग्रामर के थोड़े नॉलेज होने चाहिए और आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि पैसेज में वोकैबुलरी यानी ग्रामर कौन से तरीके से यूज़ हुआ है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द पैसेज दैट what content in the passage is said. Okay, third point, अंडरस्टैंड टेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर। आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि टेक्स्ट मतलब हमें क्वेश्चंस कौन से बेसिस पे दिए हैं, और टेक्स्ट यानी जो पैसेज दिया है उसमें आपको रीड करके मतलब समझ में आना चाहिए। द लास्ट पॉइंट, अंडरस्टैंड पर्पस फॉर रीडिंग। पर्पस यानी हम उसे रीड क्यों कर रहे हैं और उसका पर्पस क्या है। कॉम्प्रीहेंशन का पैसेज है, आपने रीड करके बस रीड कर दिया, फिनिश हो गया। नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट स्टूडेंट्स। आपको जैसे आप रीड करना स्टार्ट करो, आपका ये इंटेंशन होना चाहिए कि जब आप रीड कर रहे हो उसके साथ ही साथ आप उसका मतलब अच्छी तरीके से समझो, क्योंकि बस आप रीड करके लीव कर दोगे तो आपको कुछ भी नहीं समझेगा। आपको पढ़ते पढ़ते समझना है कि उसमें क्या दिया है, कौन सी स्टोरी बताई गई है, या हमें वो कौन सा पॉइंट हमें क्या चीज़ के बारे में पैसेज में लिखा है। तो आप जाकर क्वेश्चंस उसके अच्छी तरीके से दे पाओगे। अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? सो द लास्ट पॉइंट, अंडरस्टैंड पर्पस फॉर रीडिंग इज़ वेरी वेरी important. So these are the basic 4 points that you must remember before starting or before reading a text or a comprehension. Now I am going to explain you the full lesson, chapter number 19, comprehension, on page number 35. So carry a pencil with you and just open your page number 35 of your combined book. Okay students, I hope that the meaning and the concept of comprehension is clear to you all. बच्चों, मैं आशा करती हूँ कि जो मैंने मीनिंग बताया है, अर्थ समझाया है कॉम्प्रीहेंशन का, वो आपको समझ में आया होगा। अब हम लेसन की यहाँ पे बढ़ते हैं और हमारे कंबाइंड बुक में वो स्टोरी रीड करके क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो जस्ट कीप योर पेज नंबर 35 ओपन। Let us understand with the pictures first the story given in your textbook, page number 35. So students, as we are learning English grammar, lesson number 19, comprehension. So I am going to show you some pictures and we are going to read the text and then we are going to do it in our combined book. Okay students? So let us watch the pictures and then move to a story. Okay? Arun has a dog. The dog's name is Rex. Now Arun is a boy, you can see in the picture. Okay students? Arun has a dog. The dog's name is Rex. The name of the dog which Arun is having, his name is Rex. Mala has cat. Mala is a girl and she is having a pet cat. Its name is Silky. The name of the cat which Mala is having, her name is Silky. Rex is brown. Rex has black eyes. Now Rex is Arun's dog. He is brown in color. Rex has black eyes. The color of the eyes is black of the dog Rex. Silky is white. Silky has green eyes. Silky is Mala's cat. She is white in color. She has green eyes. Arun and Mala take their pets for a walk. They are in the park. A yellow bird sits on the tree. You can see Arun and Mala take their pets for a walk. You can see in the picture, Arun and Mala have taken their pet dogs for a walk in the park. A yellow bird sits on the tree. A yellow color bird is sitting on the tree. Rex runs to the tree. Rex is a dog, Arun's dog, and he is running towards the tree. Rex barks. Now he is a dog and he barks. Silky meows. Silky is a cat, so she meows. The bird sings. The bird, yellow color bird, who is sitting on the tree is singing. The bird flies away. The bird sings. Rex barks again. The bird flies away. When the bird sings, Rex barks. The dog starts barking. So the bird flies away. Arun and Mala laugh. They both laugh. Okay, students? So, you have understood that the passage is given. The story is about a boy and a girl. Both are having pet. One is having a dog, Rex, and the other girl is having a cat, Silky. They both take their pets to the park. And in the park, they see a yellow color bird sitting on the tree. And they are describing their pets as the dog starts barking. The bird which is singing on the tree, sitting on the tree, she flies away. And they both laugh at each other. Okay, so this is the story. Now we are going to see the questions from a combined book. Chapter number 19, Comprehension. Now students, what is comprehension? From your first standard, you are going to learn the comprehension in grammar. Comprehension, the concept of comprehension is a short passage where a short story or a passage will be given to you all, and the below questions will be given to you all. You have to find out the answers from the given passage. So, in short, you can define comprehension as reading and understanding the text. So, we are going to learn chapter number 19, Comprehension. Now, on your page number 35 of your combined book, open your combined book, page number 35, chapter number 19, Comprehension. Okay, students, have you all understood the meaning of comprehension? Now, let us begin with the question. Formative assessment activity. Question number 1. Read the given story. Now, take a pencil in your hand and we are going to read the story, and then we are going to answer the questions given below. Arun has a dog. The dog's name is Rex. Mala has cat. Its name is Silky. Rex is brown. Rex has black eyes. Silky is white. Silky has green eyes. Arun and Mala take their pets for a walk. They are in the park. A yellow bird sits on the tree. Rex runs to the tree. Rex barks. Silky meows. The bird sings. Rex barks again. The bird flies away. Arun and Mala laugh. Now, in the story given, Arun is a boy. He is having a pet dog. The dog's name is Rex. Now, students, Arun is a boy. He is having a pet dog. And what is the dog's name? The dog's name is Rex. R-E-X, Rex. Mala has cat. Mala is a girl. She is having a pet cat. Its name is Silky. The name of the cat is Silky. Rex is brown. Rex has black eyes. Now the dog Rex is brown in color and the dog has black eyes. Silky is white. Who is Silky, students? Silky is the cat. Name of the cat. And Silky is white in color. Silky has green eyes. The cat Silky has green eyes. Arun and Mala takes their pets for a walk. Now both the boy Arun and Mala the girl take their pet for a walk. They are in the park. They are in the park. In the park now a yellow bird sits on the tree. Which color bird is sitting on the tree? Yellow color bird. Rex runs to the tree. Rex the dog is running towards the tree. Rex barks. Rex the dog barks. Silky meows. Silky is the cat, so she meows. The birds sings. The birds sitting on the trees are singing. Rex barks again. The dog Rex barks again. The bird flies away. The bird, yellow bird, flies away. Arun and Mala laugh. They both are laughing. Okay, students? Now, given below in question number 2, we are going to read the question and find out the answer from the passage. Question number 2. Now, tick the correct answer for each of the given questions. Now students, in question number 2, you have seen that it is written that now tick the correct answer for each of the given questions. Now in question number 1, already we have read the given story, and from this story we are going to answer the questions. So let us begin with our first question. First question, who is Rex? Now there are 4 options given: A, option B, option C, option D. Now who is Rex, students? From the passage we have found that Arun has a dog. The dog's name is Rex. So who is Rex? Let us read the option. Rex is Arun's cat. B, Rex is Mala's cat. C, Rex is Arun's dog. And D, Rex is Mala's dog. So the correct answer is C, Rex is Arun's dog. Put a tick mark on option C. Now let us move to the second question, students. What does Rex look like? Now there are 4 options. Option A, Rex is brown with green eyes. Option B, Rex is brown with black eyes. Option C, Rex is black with brown eyes. Option D, Rex is white with brown eyes. So in the given passage, you can see and find out the answer. Here it is. Rex is brown. Rex has black eyes. Now you are going to take the option B. Rex is brown with black eyes. So students, put a tick mark with a pencil on question number 2B. Third one, who is Silky? Now let us see the option. Option A, Silky is Mala's cat. Option B, Silky is Arun's cat. Option C, Silky is Arun's dog. Option D, Silky is Mala's dog. So here who is Silky? Silky is Mala's cat. Mala has cat. Its name is Silky. So here the answer is option A. Silky is Mala's cat. Okay students. So put a tick mark in the box. Fourth one. What does Silky look like? Now option A. Silky is white with brown eyes. Now turn the page. Page number 35. Let us turn the page to page number 36. Okay students. Page number 36. Option B. Silky is black with green eyes. Silky is white with brown eyes. Silky is white with green eyes. So let us find out the answer from the passage. Yes, Silky has green eyes. Silky is white. Silky has green eyes. So here the answer is D. Option D. Put a tick mark in the box. Okay. Now let us see the fifth one. Where do they go for a walk? Option A. They go to the beach. Option B. They go to the zoo. Option C. They go to the park. So from the passage we have studied that they go for the park. So put a tick mark in question C. Option C. Sixth one. Who sits on the tree? Now there are four options. Option A. A black bird sits on the tree. Option B. A blue bird sits on the tree. Option C. A brown bird sits on the tree. Option D. A yellow bird sits on the tree. No. Now, so what will you take? You will take the option D. A yellow bird, as we have studied from the passage. Seventh one. What does Rex do? Rex meows. B. Rex barks. C. Rex sings. And D. Rex flies away. So now Rex is the dog. Yes or no? So what sound does the dog makes? The dog barks. So you will put a tick mark on option B. Rex barks. Rex barks. Eighth one. Who sings on the tree? Option A. Arun sings on the tree. Option B. Mala sings on the tree. Option C. The yellow bird sings on the tree. Option D. Silky sings on the tree. Now, who is singing on the tree? The bird is singing on the tree. The yellow bird sings on the tree. So put a tick mark on option C. Ninth question. What does Silky do? Silky is a cat. There are four options. Option A. Silky meows. Option B. Silky barks. Option C. Silky sings. Option D. Silky runs. So what is the correct answer, students? Now Silky is a cat. So she meows. What sound she makes? She meows. So you will tick on option A. tenth question. What do Arun and Mala do? Option A, Arun and Mala play. Option B, Arun and Mala cry. Option C, Arun and Mala laugh. Option D, Arun and Mala run and play. So here at the last of the passage you can see, just have a look to the passage. Arun and Mala laugh. Okay students, so what they are doing? They are laughing. Arun and Mala laugh. Here is the answer from the passage. So like this you have to find out the answer from the passage. You have to read the story carefully. So here the last point, 10th question, option C, Arun and Mala laugh. So put a tick mark on option C. Okay students. So students, here we have completed our page number 36 as well as page number 35. Our comprehension chapter number 19 comprehension is completed. Now at your homework you are going to read the story again. You will understand the story and also you are going to repeat the questions, and you all have to do at your home by understanding, reading once again the story as well as the question, that is question number 2. Okay students, I hope so this lesson comprehension of English grammar is understood and you all will read the story and practice at your home. So here we have completed our chapter number 19. Okay students, stay connected for the next online lecture of English grammar.